Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna be creating a vision board for financial success. I talked about this a little bit in the daily shorts for the week. So here is me creating my financial vision board to help me in the month of January with focusing on finances and mental health. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is what I'm gonna use for my financial vision board. It's gonna be the background, and we have some paints here to choose from. So we're gonna paint this today and then set it aside. Then we also have this little bag I found at the dollar store. This is a Christmas ornament, but it's a green bag, and I'm gonna take this out and turn it into a money bag. And to do that, I got a Monopoly. This was only $5 at the dollar store. So I'm going to take the pieces out of here. So let's open this up and see what's in here. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff. This I got specifically because it has the boat. Well, I'm glad it has a boat. Does it? That is a ship boat. And I want to sail someday, so I'm going to use that. I'm only going to use that one. Save that one. All the travel money. So this is nice. We're going to use some of this to make that into. I'm probably just going to use the green money. So for this, I'm gonna rip out this stuff. See, take that Christmas stuff out. We don't need that. And we got a money bag. But we're gonna paint these today because I need them to dry before I actually make the real video. I got some shells. I'm gonna do the top part money, and the bottom part is kind of my why. And my why is that I want to go sail the world on a ship. And so these are some seashells that I got in Mexico one time, so I may or may not put them on there. Like the top is going to be gold and green, and the bottom is going to be blue. So I'm going to go ahead and paint those. just gonna let that dry. It's our money bag. Okay, so it's the next day and we are resetting. I did go ahead and finish painting these last night off camera because it took forever. Well, I found these paper clips that my husband got me. Then I looked up and printed some things that I knew I was gonna want on my vision board. So I printed that out. And then I got a magazine in the mail, so I thought, oh, I might flip through this and see if there's anything in here that applies to what I'm doing. Austin. All right, guys, here it is, the completed final project. Everything from the money bag to my goals, my business goals, and the motivation being my personal goals, along with my favorite quote about time and money. So it's really important to keep your vision boards where you're going to see them and look at them every day. So this is where I'm going to hang mine, which is right here on my wall by my desk where I do all my telehealth sessions. So I can look at it every day and keep myself motivated for my financial goals. Remember, guys, financial health is a crucial part of your overall mental health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell. Thanks for joining me. Take care of your finances and take care of your mind. We'll see you in the next one.